Ave, I'm Caetanus Brutus.
Hi there, I'm Ricardus Caius. It's 80 AD and finally our stadium has been finished. Are you ready for a fight?
I'm more a fan of a fight against a wild beast. It makes me feel proud and brave.
Oh no, no animals for me. Maybe a battleship could be even better? Can you imagine the Colosseum filled with water, a ship set to sail? Oh, what a dream!
Good afternoon. My name is Venus, Geneva Venus. Whilst my gladiator friends are out on their heroic quests, I'm delighted to be here in the centre of the city at the Pantheon. The Pantheon is a temple which has been dedicated to all gods, from the past, the present and from the future. I am, however, rather annoyed because this is the year 124 AD and the Emperor Adrian still hasn't dedicated a temple to me in my honour, the goddess of goddesses.
Salve, I'm Marta Ilenia and I'm a huge fan of Venus the Goddess. She's so elegant. But even though I don't have any dedicated temple, I'm so proud I'm living in the glorious time of the Roman Empire. In the past, my ancestors had fun at the chariot racing at the circus that stood just over here. And now we are in 333 AD and this majestic cathedral has been built. They say 20 people can fit in the sphere up there. A good hiding place. I'm gonna invite some friends playing hide and seek. Gladiators!
Where are we? And what are you all doing here?
Guys, I think we just landed in the future.
I think I saw this building once in a dream. It should be the newest futuristic convention center, which will be open in 2,000 years.
2,000 years.
And if I'm not wrong, there is a cloud made of fiberglass hanging over there where people can sit and join events.
That's kind of weird, but fantastic. Just like you.
Rome, a city where the beauty and heritage of the olden days reveal the precious story of the past, but also a progressive thinking city with a genuine talent to blend together design and functionality for trailblazing solutions. All in all, a city where there's no future without history.
Will you be there in 2022?
Maybe. I will start preparing myself by figuring out how this works.
Oh, I just got a new WhatsApp. It's Julius Caesar.
Me too, I think we all got the same message.
Wow! Dear IAPCO members, you are paving the way to a bigger and better, brighter future. Here's to the meetings industry. We look forward to welcoming you to Rome.
That's great! If Caesar will be there, I must be there too.
See you in Rome in 2022.
Maybe. Un attimo.
Convention Center open in 2000 years. L'ho sbagliata, l'abbiamo rifatto.
Non me lo ricordo.
I'm more a fan of fight against a wild beast. It makes me more...
Ah no, no animals for me. No, troppe macchine. Imagine the Colosseum filled with water and ship full to sail. Fuck!
No, non è passato manco.
Era perfetta!
Sail. Oh, what a dream. Cazzo, questa era top.